All right, y'all, this is embarrassing, but this is what the old garden spot looks like through the winter. So we got a lot of work to do to get it cleaned up and get our new beds in here. So we'll keep on going. I'll let you know what it looks like when we start getting it cleaned up. All right, we're making a little progress. Slowly but surely. We got all the weeds tilled up out here, moved a couple of beds out of here, and I think my daughter started cleaning this bed, getting this one cleaned out. You can tell we got all our junk. I gotta haul this down to the woods, but got all our poles here, and I pulled up all the fencing and all the posts. She took all that out right there. She planted some peppermint or spearmint back in there. I don't know if it'll grow or not, but so taking a break, got the egg going. I have a little bit of burgers, watching a little Boxcar Jerry while I'm grilling out. So it's just the first day, so we'll come back as we go each day. All right, y'all, I went and got the lumber for the raised beds, and lumber ain't cheap. But I don't know if that's gonna be enough to do all my raised beds, but I can always add some more next week. I just got to get these built so I can get some stuff planted for this weekend. Woo! This is what we got built so far. We got let's see, 6 or 7 beds. I think 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 beds so far. And they're not where they're going to be. We got to plow it up and set them in the right place. We got another load of lumber. So I hope we're growing money trees with the cost of this lumber, but I think eventually it'll pay for itself. So all right, we'll keep on going, build some more of these things. Well, we got them all built. They're not where they're going to be, but because we got to till everything back up and then reset the boxes. But I think that's 12 or 14 of them, and that was a job right there. But either way, they're done, and probably go tomorrow and get our soil for it if it don't rain us out. But now it's time for a little bit of steak on the grill. That's about all the work we're gonna do today. So I'll check back with you once we get the soil. Well, it's almost dark, but I'm gonna see if I can film this. We got them all set where they're gonna be, and for the most part they're level. A couple of them are out of whack a little bit, but you know, the ground slopes that way, so we had to build it up a little bit. There's only so much you can do, but they'll be fine. We got rain coming for the next 3 days, so we're going to get our topsoil and our manure and all that stuff, I guess, in a couple of days, and we'll fill these up. Well, the soil's here, but I am really not looking forward to this. It's a lot of bags to carry. That's 40 bags of potting soil or raised bed planter. That's 40 bags of raised bed potting mix and 40 bags of manure. So that's gonna be a lot of bag toting, but we'll start filling them up, I reckon. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I prepare my bed. Now normally if this was new ground, normally I would put down a layer of sticks, then maybe a layer of 6 to 8 inches of leaves, and then put all my potting soil stuff on top of it. That way over time it breaks down. It just gives you a natural mulch on the bottom. But I put probably 30 bags of manure and compost in this garden last year, so this dirt is really, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really dark brown. So I'm going to go ahead and straight lay it right now. We'll go ahead and add it. I'll show you what I add and how I do it. For this size beds, I'm doing 2 foot by 8 foot beds. I got three bags of raised bed soil, potting soil, and I've got 3 bags of black cow manure. That should be plenty. Actually, maybe too much, maybe too little. We'll just have to see how it goes. Heck, 2 might be enough. We'll just have to, I'll go ahead and add 3. Wound up with 80 bags, 40 of each, which is quite an initial investment, but I should be good just adding a little bit to it as we go. Each year, it should be fine. Alright, rake this around, mix it up pretty good. Alright, got that mixed up. I'm going to take me, I got a bag of perlite here. I always like to add perlite to my beds. Perlite aids in draining the extra water out when you get a really bad rainstorm. But it also holds on to a little moisture. Keeps your beds from drying out quite so fast. A little perlite goes a long way. Alright, rake that in a little bit, mix it in. I'll go ahead and take me a little fertilizer. This is 10-10-10 is what I use here in my garden. Use about just, I don't know how much it is, it's probably a 8-ounce cup maybe. Mix all that in. All right, that's pretty much how I set my beds up. We'll come in here tomorrow and plant, and it'll have all the nutrition it needs. So we'll come back when it's time to plant. Here's how they turned out. Pretty pleased with them. I think I'm still gonna get a good crop in them, and hopefully it'll be less weeding, and hopefully the critters will stay out of them. So well, I didn't mention at the beginning what I made the planters out of. They're treated 1x6s, 8 feet long, stacked on top of each other, so it's 12 inches deep. It takes 5 8-foot boards to make one bed. So I think they're gonna work out pretty good. But I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I appreciate y'all always coming along with me, and hopefully we'll have some good gardening videos this year, and hopefully the deer won't eat all my stuff up. So all right, I reckon I'll see y'all on the next one.